What's going on, everybody? This is KingdomworkTv. My name is Antonio, but you call me Tony. So today I am talking about stay firm in the faith. So staying firm in the faith is unwavering. Staying firm in the faith is being diligent. Staying firm in the faith, counting on God. Staying firm in the faith. This is my posture. This is my position. Worshiping, giving God the glory, and just knowing that, yo, God is God. He big time, and he got me. This I wrote on my notes. I sat in it. I worship in it. Be faithful to God as he been faithful to me. During this season, I already gave God my all, my worship every single day, whether I wanted to or not. I was just in awe of God. I just want to give God the best that I could be. And let's go into the first video of me just fasting, be more loving towards God, because he's been wonderful to me. This wrote on my notes. Consistent reminder of God's blessing always around. He never stops talking to me. So God was talking to me like crazy during this season, just in my ear, in my dreams, just in my worship, just God's presence alone was just heavy during that time in my life. And I just felt like I can do this. I'm good. I got fresh wind. God got me running on this journey right now. And it was just unbelievable. And I needed that. I needed that fresh wind. I needed his presence to let me know whatever I'm doing this season, he is with me. Just wrote on my notes. I have done something that never would be done, that would never be copied. This will establish my children and our legacy, continuing the greatness of God. So during the season, God was just reminding me our relationship would carry on to my children. It would carry on further than I ever imagined. And what I ever imagined. So the more I just love on God, the more it's just like God just letting me know, and Tony, you are dope. You know what I'm saying? You are enough. You are special. You know, this season of harvest, you have done the work. You are with me. Of course, I got a scripture, y'all. It's Psalms 37 and 34. Hope in the Lord and keep his way. He will exalt you, inherit the land. When the wicked are destroyed, you will see it. Listen, God has been faithful during this season. This is my land. I had a dream that the enemy was attacking in the spiritual realm, and God allowed me to see the enemy being destroyed in my dreams. The enemy was coming from a harvest, and he can't have my harvest, because guess what? God's hands is on this harvest, and it's not for my doing, it's my Father's doing, because all I got to do is stay committed, stay present, stay confident.